I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting now. Open TikTok and tap the plus to enter the camera. Make sure the app is updated so effects and uploads work. If your image is in files or photos, locate it first. If not, download it before recording. Choose Portrait or 16:9 to match your content because aspect affects placement. Once done, pick Upload to pull media or record, then add. This gets you immediately into the workspace where you'll combine video and picture seamlessly. Now import the image. Tap Upload and select Photo, or use stickers then Photo to place it over recorded clips. You can pinch to resize and drag to position. Use 2 fingers to rotate if needed. To control how long it shows, tap the image, choose duration, and drag handles on the timeline. If you need it behind footage, use Edit then Layers to reorder. Make sure transitions feel natural. You can add a quick fade or motion effect to blend the image. Finish by previewing the whole video and checking timing, audio levels, and effects. Make small trims so the image appears exactly where intended, and add captions or stickers last. When ready, hit Next, choose Cover, add description, tags, and post. If the image doesn't appear or upload fails, try resaving the photo as a new file, clear TikTok cache and settings, or restart the app. Those steps fix most import problems. After posting, review on your profile to confirm it looks right.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.